First of all, click New Project. Now name your project. Let's call it My First Code. Hit Create. You'll be brought to the code screen where you can start to drag your blocks. You can see there's 2 already in place, On Start and Forever. What we're going to do first of all is get your microbit to say hello when it begins. So click on Basic so that the bar pops out, and then choose the option Show Hello String and drag that onto the screen and let go of it inside On Start. So you can see here that it says On Start, Show String Hello. And you can also see the demonstration microbit on the side of the page is previewing that. If you wanted to change the string, you just tap on it and then you can edit it. For example, hi there. Okay, so that's us done our first bit already. When the microbit starts up, it will say either hello or hi there. Now I'd like it to do something else when I press the A button and something else when I press the B button. So I'm going to start with the A button option, and I'm going to choose input because pressing on a button is an input. So you can see here when I click on input it brings me the bar, and you can see at the top on button A pressed. So I'm going to grab that and drag it over. So now I've said OK, I'm going to give you some instructions for what to do if the user presses button A. The instruction that I'm going to give it is in the basic section. So I'm going to click on basic and I'm going to choose the third one down, show icon. I'm going to drag that in and let it go there. You can see it defaults to a love heart icon. I'm going to choose a different one. I am going to choose I think it's a duck icon. So when the user presses button A, it will show that. I want it to show something different when they press button B. Pressing button B is also an input. So choose input, drag this same one over, but make sure you click here where it says A and change it to B, and you will see that it lights up properly. Now what I want you to do is go back to basic, choose show icon, drag it over and choose a different icon, maybe this little monster face here. So now you have the following. When the microbit starts up, it will say hello, or in my case, hi there. If I press button A, it will show me the little duck. If I press button B, it will show me the monster face. And then I can try that on the demonstration microbit over at the side of the screen. Button A, duck. Button B, monster face. I can also press stop to reset it and play, and you can see that it'll show my welcome message of hi there. Stop that now. When you are ready, you can send this code to your microbit. To do that, you press the download button on the bottom of the screen. This will then try to connect to your microbit. It might ask you to put your microbit back into pairing mode. Remember that you do that by pressing and holding the A and B button. Keep them held while you stretch around to press the reset button. Let the reset button go. Continue to hold on to the A and B button until you see the pairing sign. Once you've done that, click continue. This will then send the code to your microbit. Do not interact with the microbit, pressing any buttons or shaking it while the code is being sent. This is also called flashing. Once it tells you the code is complete, have a look at your microbit and try it for yourself. You should see right away that your welcome message flashes across the screen, and then you can try pressing your A and B button to see if that works. Once you've done that, why not try challenging yourself? Can you make it show an icon of your own choice whilst you press the A and B button? How do you think you would do that? Listen carefully. When the A and B button are pressed at the same time, make the microbit show an icon or a shape that you have designed yourself. You're going to need an input and you're going to need one of the basic functions. Have a try, see what happens. And remember, you don't have to send it every time to test it. You can test it using the microbit tester on the screen. Good luck!